Let's talk about using AI with Aliveforms and use artificial intelligence to create forms, quizzes, and even presentations, etc. with Aliveforms. So for this demonstration, I'm going to create a new form. I'm going to start from scratch and I'm going to select the type ranked quiz. A small crash course on types. Generic type is a type of form where we don't perform any calculation. A poll is basically a generic form with just one screen, that is a poll screen or MCQ question. Score calculation, it is for creating the quiz. And in score calculation, we have a score assigned to every MCQ, drop down, or text field marked as answerable. And ranked quiz is basically score calculation form, but it needs to have a name for leaderboard, and a leaderboard is shown at the end. And in analytical question, each MCQ is assigned a weight point, and we can calculate those weights and generate our results such as pricing, calculation of price, calculation of loads, etc. And we can then use this data to provide recommendation and generate prices, etc. So here we are going to click on rank quiz, click next. Let's say we are making a quiz on Lord of the Rings. Create the form, and Aliveforms provides a JSON editor with a schema to use any AI chatbot for creating content and the form for JSON. For this example, we are going to use ChatGPT to create our form according to schema, but Gemini for creating the content because it has access to latest information and it doesn't suffer from limitations those are imposed in ChatGPT. So open menu, click on JSON, and from here copy the schema and open ChatGPT, paste it, press Shift plus Enter and write the prompt. This is Aliveforms JSON schema for ranked quiz. Memorize it. Click Enter, and now we can just refer this schema and ask it to generate the JSON for us. Now in Gemini, let's create a Lord of the Rings quiz and let it generate the quiz for us. Now once quiz is created, click on copy to copy the quiz on clipboard. Go to ChatGPT, paste it here, and
Write the prompt to create the quiz in JSON using forms JSON schema for ranked quiz. Each question has 10 marks.
we say it create complete JSON. We may require to prompt it multiple times to get our result, but most of time it creates in first try. Okay, so now our response is created. Click on copy code, and from in JSON we clean our previous code, paste it, and click on apply and save the screen. Since it is a ranked question and we need to have a text input for username, so I add the text input. So click on text input and ask please enter your name for scoreboard. Please enter your name for scoreboard. And I'm going to grid mode and drop it here so that that is the first question. Then I need to click on edit button to edit this screen, and I go back to list mode. I mark it required and make sure it is collected, and from here I check collect for display in result. That's it. Save it. In order to make it work, we need to publish it so that we can collect responses. Publish, open the form. Let's say I fill the form I'm just quickly answering the questions and submit it. So we have our score here, that is 10, and our scoreboard here. So that's how we can use AI to generate our forms in Aliveforms. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video and share it with your friends, colleagues and people those need this.